Welcome to Is Coinbase Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the Coinbase Wallet are included in the description below. Coinbase Wallet is a decentralized, non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet designed to give users complete control over their digital assets. Unlike the custodial Coinbase Exchange wallet, this wallet lets you manage your private keys and interact directly with the blockchain, offering a higher level of autonomy and security. Supporting major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide range of ERC20 tokens, Coinbase Wallet also enables users to store NFTs and explore decentralized apps, dApps. The wallet's key features include its straightforward interface and seamless integration with the Coinbase ecosystem, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts alike. Users can transfer funds between their Coinbase account and Coinbase Wallet with ease. Additionally, it supports Web3 functionality, allowing you to participate in DeFi protocols, staking, and even blockchain-based gaming. With its multi-asset support, Coinbase Wallet caters to diverse crypto portfolios while providing flexibility and convenience. Security-wise, Coinbase Wallet emphasizes user responsibility. Private keys are encrypted and stored locally on your device, meaning only you have access to your funds. This non-custodial model removes the risks associated with centralized exchanges, but places the onus of security on the user. Biometric authentication and passcodes add an extra layer of protection on mobile devices. However, it's crucial to back up your recovery phrase securely, as losing it could result in permanent loss of access to your assets. One standout feature is the wallet's interoperability with popular hardware wallets like Ledger, enhancing security for those holding significant investments. While Coinbase Wallet is open source, which boosts transparency, it still requires cautious handling, especially regarding phishing scams and fraudulent dApps. Coinbase Wallet is ideal for users looking to maintain control over their crypto while enjoying the benefits of an accessible and feature-rich interface. It's particularly well-suited for those who want to explore Web3 or manage NFTs without relying on a centralized entity. In conclusion, Coinbase Wallet is a secure and versatile choice for managing your digital assets, provided you take personal security seriously. Check the links in the description to learn more or try it out for yourself.